Alright, so we're going to look at a particular example of how we can take some messy JSON data and clean it in one line of Pandas code so that it's ready for analysis and we can do further pre-processing with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read in a JSON file, pandas.read_JSON, and the name of the file is data.json, and what you're seeing here is a single column called user, and we have things like the user ID, we also have this joining date key, and we have a series of dictionaries, and each dictionary has, of course, key value pairs. Now, wouldn't it be nice if we could take the user ID and make it a new column, and take the joining date and make it a new column, etc., etc. And it turns out we can, but let's just store this in a variable called dataframe first, and if I get this user column, we see this series of dictionaries, and all that I actually have to do now is throw this into a function called pandas.json normalize. And what this will do is, if I just spell that correctly, that will take in our series, which is storing dictionaries, and make the keys the column names and the values the rows. Okay. We can now store this in a new variable called new data. And just as a little check, let's just take a look at the first 5 rows, even though we have seen it. And here's our new tidy data set.